In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Audiences Builder in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll know where to find the audience tools, how to start a new audience, and the different ways you can define who should be in it. First, open your browser and head to analytics.google.com. Make sure you're working in the correct Google Analytics 4 property for your site or app so the audience you create applies to the right data. Next, look to the bottom left corner and click the admin gear icon. This takes you to your property's settings area where you can configure features that affect reporting and activation. Inside admin, find the section labeled data display and click audiences. This is your main workspace for creating and managing audiences, and you'll see any existing audiences listed here along with their status. From here, click new audience. That opens the audience builder where you can either start from scratch or accelerate your setup with built-in options. If you want complete control, choose to create a custom audience. In the builder, you can define include and exclude conditions based on events, parameters, page paths, device details, or user properties. You can set sequences to capture behavior that happens in a specific order, and you can adjust membership duration to decide how long users remain in the audience after they qualify. Give your audience a clear, descriptive name so teammates instantly understand its purpose. If you prefer guidance, you can select an audience template. Templates are grouped by categories like demographics, technology, and acquisition. Demographics helps you build audiences using attributes such as age, gender, language, or location. Technology focuses on device and platform characteristics such as operating system or browser. Acquisition helps you isolate users by how they first found you, like source or medium, which is useful for campaign analysis. You can also choose from suggested audiences. These are curated setups that follow common best practices, letting you move faster without crafting every rule yourself. Within suggestions, you'll see options like top suggestions, general leads, and predictive. Top suggestions surface the most relevant patterns for your property. General covers widely useful groups like engaged users or purchasers. General leads focuses on users who show interest but haven't converted yet. Predictive audiences, when available, use machine learning to group users based on likelihood to purchase or churn. These appear only after your property collects enough consistent data. Once you've defined or selected what you need, review the definition, then save. Your audience will start building from that point forward and may take some time to populate fully. That's it. You've set up your audience in Google Analytics 4.